Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So while I'm introduction, I see this opportunity. I place my trade put option at this level. So because of this strong, after this exhaustion candle, you should expect strong bias, but I can see weak bias. That's why I place my trade put option at this level. This is winning trade. Let's analyze another market and see. The market is high volatility. We have to be very careful because of the volatility. It's not nice, this market, but I can see strong bias, sellers. Let's see here, trend channel, maybe, yes. So this is our trend channel. If I get an entry point, at here is tricky. We are in consolidation area between 100 and 200 EMA. So we don't know which EMA will react, so let's wait. This is our channel. Market is coming to this level, maybe before reversing. Market should reach this level. Now we are in consolidation area between 100 and 200 EMA. So if market break this, yes, I place my trade put option. Yes, very nice entry. So I place my trade put option. I know market will not break this 50 100 EMA. It will close between 100 and 200 EMA, definitely. That's why I place my trade put option. I know market will not close above this EMA, because this candle is trapped between 100 and 200 EMA. So the next candle must close between. So that's why I place my trade put option. So this is winning trades again. So let's analyze another market and see. So here you can see momentum. Here is also consolidation area between 100 and 200 EMA. This is consolidation area. So now we have to wait for the breakout. Because between this 2ms is very tricky. So you have to be very careful before you take any trade, otherwise you will lose between 100 and 200 EMA. So now I'm waiting to see what is going to happen. As you can see, the market is not nice. It's very, very tricky, so we have to be careful. We are still in consolidation area. Time has exhausted. Let's change another pair because this one looks like not nice. So here so here we are in consolidation area. You see market is consolidating. All the pairs are not nice, so in this case we have to be very careful. So you see, I am trying to get one opportunity more to leave the market. Let's change again. Still not so nice. You see, all are consolidating. All the pairs are consolidating. Okay, this one maybe. This one, let's see. Let's check the channel and see. This is the trend channel. This is exhaustion candle. So on the 200 EMA is flat. Maybe market is trying to reverse from this level. Yes, yeah. Strong momentum. And this is round number. Market is rejecting. Yes, gap off. So here, yes, market is trying to reverse from this level. and this is another strong level here, maybe. And here it's a strong level. You see, market is reversing from this level. Time has changed. Let's check another one. All the pairs are not nice. You see gap up. So maybe on the next candle I will place my trade put option because of this gap up. Yes, I place my trade put option at this level because of this gap up. I know definitely next candle will come down. That's why I place my trade put option. Even though this one gap up again, I know this candle must be red. It will reach this level. Even though market is doing some panic, no, it will definitely close below my entry point. So let's see. Because of the volatility, market is not nice. I decided to take 5 trades, but maybe I will take only 3 trades and leave the market. As you can see, market is not nice, so I know this candle must close below my entry point, even though market is doing some panic. See, you see, because of the market is not nice. This candle is supposed to be red candle, but it's doji. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like, comment and share. So you can see market is not nice. That's why I decided to take 5 trades, but I took 3 trades, all are winning trade, because of the market condition. It's not nice and volatility is too high. You can see the payout is 94%. So in this situation, you should not trade if you are not sure, because market movement, you can see, is not nice. If you are predicting the market, it will go the other side. So anytime, try to check the good market condition before you trade. You see here, you can see here, I place my trade here at this level put option, and the candle I predicted right, the candle is red. Here also I place my trade put option, still the candle is red, and here is doji. I win with doji. So in this situation, you have to be very careful. Don't trade anyhow. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like, comment, share. I will say thank you. Bye bye.